Welcome to our deep dive into unconventional SEO tactics. Today, we're exploring how to leverage Reddit for powerful search engine optimization strategies. Reddit, often called the front page of the internet, is a goldmine of niche communities, real-time trends, and genuine user discussions, all incredibly valuable for SEO. The first step is locating the right communities. You need to find subreddits directly related to your niche or industry. Utilize Reddit's search bar with relevant keywords and explore suggested communities. Look for specific industry terms rather than broad topics. Always check the community rules. Respect the moderators and the users. Otherwise, your contributions might be removed or you could be banned. Success on Reddit hinges entirely on providing genuine value. This is not the place for blatant self-promotion. Your primary goal should be to help the community. If you only post links to your own content, you will be seen as spam, which hurts your reputation and SEO efforts. Building up your reputation by engaging authentically is key. The more karma you have, the more the community will trust your contributions. Reddit is an exceptional platform for uncovering long-tail keywords and understanding the exact language your target audience uses. Use the search function and look through posts. What are people constantly asking? How do they phrase their needs or problems? This provides excellent keyword data. Reddit threads often highlight emerging industry trends before they hit mainstream news. Use this to create timely, relevant content for your website, boosting your SEO performance. Once you've established trust and identified key topics, you can strategically use Reddit to drive highly qualified organic traffic back to your site. When sharing a blog post or tool, ensure it's highly relevant to the thread and provides a direct solution to a user's problem. Frame it as a resource, not an advertisement. Track upvotes and comments on your successful posts. High engagement signals content that resonates, which should inform future content creation and SEO strategy on your own website. Reddit SEO is a long game built on authenticity and value. By committing to these strategies, you'll gain powerful audience insights and drive meaningful organic traffic.